Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware capability. Check the charger wattage and the cable rating because power delivery limits charging speed. Once you know the charger is 30W or higher, switch to a certified USB-C PD cable. This matters, lower quality cables throttle current. Next, reduce device power draw. Remove bulky cases that trap heat, enable airplane mode, and close intensive apps. Doing these first steps raises headroom for faster charge and sets the stage for the next optimizations. Now you optimize the device itself because software and thermal limits govern real-world speed. First, enable the phone's fast charge option if present and turn battery saver off. Those modes conflict. Once done, reduce screen brightness to near zero or keep the screen off while charging to cut consumption. Also pause cloud syncing, switch off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if not needed, and force stop background apps. These steps let the charger deliver its rated current without the device fighting to power active processes or overheating. Finish by managing heat and verifying hardware. Place your device on a cool, hard surface to avoid thermal throttling. Heat is the main limiter. If charging remains slow, swap in another certified cable and charger to isolate a faulty component. Use a USB meter to check voltage and current for expected values. If readings are low, reboot the device and check for system updates, because firmware can fix charging issues. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer. They can diagnose battery or charger faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.